A pre-owned 2008 BMW M3. This two-door convertible has an 8-cylinder, 4.0-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 6-speed manual transmission. This BMW has less than 83,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.